Electric ebb. Have you ever wondered what would happen if the world's submarines suddenly lost their power systems? How would a navy survive without safe underwater travel? These questions point to the reason the idea behind electric ebb matters so much. Although there is no commercial boat officially named Electric Ebb, the concept immediately connects to one of the most influential companies in maritime history, General Dynamics Electric Boat. Founded in 1899, this company built the very first United States Navy submarine, USS Holland, in the year 1900. That single step changed underwater travel forever. Electric Boat pushed the limits of what a submarine could do. From designing early underwater vessels to building advanced nuclear-powered submarines today, their work has shaped global naval strength for more than 120 years. Each submarine is built with precision, advanced engineering, and the goal of safer underwater operations. Their role in national security and underwater exploration has been unmatched. The idea of electric ebb reflects this flow and shift in technology, how a single innovation can create a wave of change. Without companies like Electric Boat, modern underwater travel, defense, and exploration would not exist as we know them today. Their long history shows what happens when design, courage, and engineering come together with one purpose: to build vessels that can survive the deep. Call to action. If you want to understand how underwater technology keeps evolving, follow the story behind Electric Boat and see why names like Electric Ebb continue to inspire the future of marine engineering.